Good morning, all medicos. Today's MCQs are on topic thorax anatomy. Subscribe our channel and get all notification of new videos and grow with us and prepare for next NEET PG and FMG. Let's begin. Question number 1. Right coronary artery supplies all except option A, right atrium, B, posterior part of interventricular septum, C, anterior interventricular groove, D, SA node. The answer is C, anterior interventricular groove. Because anterior interventricular groove is supplied by left coronary artery, part which are supplied by right coronary artery are right atrium, a large part of right ventricular except the area surrounding the anterior interventricular groove, posterior part of interventricular septum and whole of the conducting system of the heart except the branch of AV bundle. Left coronary artery supplies left atrium, a large part of right ventricle except the area surrounding the posterior interventricular groove and a small part of right ventricle surrounding the anterior interventricular groove, anterior part of interventricular septum and a part of the left branch of the AV bundle. Question number 2. Base of the heart is formed by option A, right atrium, B, right ventricle, C, left atrium, D, left ventricle. The answer is C, left atrium. Base of the heart is formed by left atrium and the apex is formed by left ventricle. Question number 3. All form right heart border except option A, SVC, superior vena cava, option B, IVC, inferior vena cava, C, right atrium, D, right ventricle. The answer is D, right ventricle. Right border of the heart is formed by the right atrium, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Left border is formed by the left ventricle and slightly by left auricle. Question number 4. Length of trachea. Option A, 5 cm, B, 10 cm, C, 20 cm, D, 25 cm. The correct answer is B, 10 cm. Average length of trachea is between 10 to 15 cm. Question number 5. All of the following drain into azygous vein except option A, hemiazygous vein, B, posterior intercostal vein, C, left superior intercostal vein, D, right superior intercostal vein. The answer is C, left superior intercostal vein. It drain into left bronchiocephalic vein. Does not drain into azygous vein. Question number 6. Not a true rib. Option A, 5th rib, B, 11th rib, C, 7th rib, D, 8th rib. The correct answer is D, 8th rib. True ribs are from 1 to 7 ribs and the false ribs from 8th to 12th. Question number 7. Arch of aorta lies at what vertebral level? Option A, T5, option B, T4, option C, T6, option D, T2 vertebral level. The answer is B. Arch of aorta lies at T4 vertebral level. Beginning and ending of arch of aorta is at the same level, T4 vertebral level. Question number 8. 8th, 9th and 10th ribs are attached to 7th rib by which joint? Option A, fibrous, B, synovial, C, cartilaginous, D, ellipsoid. The correct answer is B, synovial joint. Interchondral joints in the ribs 6 to 9 are synovial joint. Question number 9. The last tributary of the azygous vein is option A, right superior intercostal vein, option B, hemiazygous vein, C, right bronchial vein, D, accessory azygous vein. The correct answer is C, right bronchial vein. Question number 10. The opening in central tendon of diaphragm transmit. Option A, aorta, B, esophagus, C, right phrenic nerve branch, D, left gastric artery branch. The correct answer is C, right phrenic nerve branch. Central tendon of diaphragm has an opening at T8 level for inferior vena cava and few branches of right phrenic nerve. Question number 11. Muscles of expiration. Option A, external intercostal, B, diaphragm, C, internal intercostal, D, serratus anterior. The answer is C, internal intercostal is muscle of expiration. Costal part of internal intercostal helps in expiration, whereas the interchondral part of internal intercostal participate in inspiration. The chief muscle of inspiration is diaphragm.